Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Dela, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here to show you this 3-bedroom house in East Legon Hills. Should we take a look around? Let's go. So we're about to enter the house now, and I must just say, okay, one thing that I love about houses, right, is really big doors. I don't know what it is about big doors, but I just really like them. I feel like they give the house like a really nice grandness, and this house definitely has a really nice big door. So let's head straight in and you guys can see the rest of the house. As soon as we're in the house, you can see we're met by this nice big open space, which is quite nice. It's quite welcoming. You open the door and you're met by this really good space here. Okay, now there's a door to the side of me, and this right here, we take a peek here, is a garage, which is really nice. It's really nice to have garage space right next to your house. So on those days where it's perhaps raining, or you don't want everybody to see what you have in your car, you can absolutely just drive straight in here, close the thing and take everything out, and you don't get to get wet, which is lovely. I need one of these for my house. So just close up there. Now we have lots of space here. Again, we have some underspace storage, so you can kind of make this area what you would like it to be. And if we continue through this way, oh, in fact, before I miss out anything, I don't want to miss anything here. Okay, we do have a downstairs WC, which is great for visitors when they pop over. Now, if we keep walking backwards this way, I'm going to walk backwards, okay? We actually have a nice kitchen. I like this because this is kind of tucked away, but not tucked away, if you get what I mean. Okay, so it's got this really nice space here, and you can, if you stand here, you can see the main living room from here. But also it kind of has a little bit of a corner, so you're not always able to see the living room, but it's a nice big space. So, and it has this really nice, what do you call it? I've lost my words, what do you call it? Thingy in the middle. I want to call it thingy in the middle, okay? I'll put the correct words on the screen. I'll call it thingy in the middle for now because I can't remember. But yes, we have this really nice space, okay? So you have this here. I guess you have the option to close this off if you wanted to and use it as some type of storage, broom cupboard, whatever you would like. But it definitely does add a nice extra feature to the kitchen, being able to put your stuff away there. So that's really nice. There's also a back door which leads out to the back of the house, so you can kind of walk around if you would like to do that. And then we have this dining space over here. So this space, you can kind of make it as you want. You can use it as a dining room space. If you don't want to use it as a dining space, you can use it as maybe a study area or something like this. It's definitely a usable space, which is really, really nice. Okay, now I'm going to take you guys upstairs so you can see what the upstairs is like. We have 3 bedrooms upstairs. So let's have a look. So you can see as we're going up on the staircase, I love the fact that there's a window here. That's really, really important because sometimes staircases can be a little bit dark, but having a window here just allows breeze to come in, and it allows lots of light as well as you're on your way up. Now, we get to the top landing space here, and over here we have our 3 bedrooms. So we have 1, 2, 3 right there, okay? So I'm going to take a look in this bedroom first. So this is our first bedroom. A decent sized space, right? Okay, so this is a good sized space. It also has an ensuite bathroom over here too, which is great. If you're in here, you get your own washroom. You don't need to worry about anybody else. Nice space. We also have built-in wardrobes too, which is nice and handy. It's kind of tucked away, which is really nice because when I came in, I was like, there's no wardrobe, but then I realized that it's right here. So that's nice because it kind of blends in and you don't really notice it, but it's there. It's there for what you need it for. Okay. Now this room over here is basically similar to this, so I'm not going to go in there. I am going to show you the primary bedroom though, which is over here. So this is the primary bedroom, and you can see immediately it definitely is a primary bedroom. It's a lot bigger than the other bedroom. You have lots more space, you have more wardrobe space as well. The room has a different feel about it. We have lots of nice windows, breeze coming in. I love having windows on 2 sides because you get lots of crosswind coming, which is really, really nice, okay? So we have a big massive bed here, and then over here we have our ensuite bathroom. Okay, again, a really nice big space in here. Very nice. And we have our wardrobe space too. So we have this small area here. And then we have obviously the larger wardrobe here, which will probably be for the woman, and that one would be for the man. So now we have this family space over here. Okay, so if you have children, you can set up some sofas here, put a TV up on the wall if you'd like to do that. You can make it your own kind of space, but it's definitely a usable space. I personally wouldn't want to leave this empty. I definitely want to do something with this space to kind of just add to the house, you know. So right here we do have a balcony space too. So you can absolutely open this up. You can put some seats out here as well, and you can kind of like just enjoy the views, enjoy the breeze, whatever you'd like to do there. Great space, okay? Okay, now I know lots of you are wondering, how much is this house going for? Now this house is going for $130,000. Okay, this house you can see is lived in at the moment. So this one's actually gone, but there are actually 4 others next to it which are also for sale. And there are also 9 others which haven't been built yet, which are yet to come up. Okay, now the thing I love about off-plan, when the house is not built yet, is that you get to add your own little flavor in there, and I really like that. So if there's something you've seen that perhaps you'd like to maybe shift or do a little bit different, that's the best time to kind of get in there and say, okay, speak to the developer and say, okay, I'd like to have this instead or that instead. You know, once a house is built, it's built, right? It's harder to make changes. So while the house is not built, that's the best time for me personally to get in and kind of make the changes that I would want to make. But yeah, so if you are interested in this house, please do send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I'll put you in touch with the necessary people. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I've enjoyed touring. I love touring houses. If you have a house that you would like for me to tour, it could be a private house, it could be a development, please again do send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and we can speak from there. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video. Until next time, I am out, Nutitfafa.